Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I just make a soy milk. And because I don't want to waste the pulp, as you know as Okara, so I got an idea to make it into a snack. So let's call it with vegan nuggets, and let's get started.
So you will need a cup of okara, or you can use tofu. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of mushroom powder. And then black pepper, onion powder, oregano, and garlic powder. And now just put all ingredients into the mixing bowl like this. Start from the okara or tofu. And I like to stir it for a bit like this, just to make it easier if I put all ingredients and mixing it later. Okay, let me have a drink. And keep mixing it. Oops. Oh yeah, and you can put some veggies like carrots and beans, like this. Next, I already add some flour on it so the okra doesn't stick on it. I use all-purpose flour, but you can use any flour you want. And next, shape it. And I like to make it a bit bigger than normal nugget. And I shape it into a circle, but you can make it into another shape you want. It can be smaller, bigger, square, oval, anything. Okay, so this is the last one, and we are done. Next, you'll need a cup of breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of rice flour, and all-purpose flour, and half cup of water, and just mix it. And make sure there is no lump. Mix, 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 mix. After well combined like this, so you can add a pinch of salt, mushroom powder, and black pepper. Next, dip the okara into the flour, fully cover, and cover it with breadcrumbs, like this. And just do it twice to make sure it won't crack or messed up when you fry it. Just dip it into the flour and cover it with breadcrumbs. And then freeze it for an hour. Next, heat the oil and make sure it's hot enough. And then start to fry the okra nuggets until golden brown. Oops. And make sure you have to keep the heat not too high so it won't burn.